everyone. In our today's learning, we will understand one interesting part of grammar. Let's see which it is. The part that I'm talking to you people is about prefix and suffix. Prefix and suffix are very important, very interesting part, and it will help you in a lot of ways. We'll tell you how it will help you. Stay connected throughout the video for that. Moving on in defining what is prefix and suffix, it comes up here. A group of letters added before the root word. We are talking of root word to change its meaning. For example, if we add with the word happy, the new word that you learn is unhappy. So this is prefix. So you are adding something before the root word. As the word pre says before, so we are adding something before the actual word. Moving on to suffix. So what is suffix? Here it is. A group of letters added after the root word. So again the root word is the main word. When we add something after it, we learn a new word, we get a new word. For example, help. If we add full with help, we get a word which is helpful. In order to know more about prefix and suffix, we need to understand what the root word is. So here comes the root word. It is the basic part of the word that carries the main meaning. For example, I say window, when I say door, when I say board, when I say pen, these all are root words. They have a particular meaning. So the root word are the words which itself is the main word and has some meaning. It is the word before any prefix or suffix are added. When we have not added a prefix or a suffix, it's the main actual word before we add on something. So let's carry on our journey. We have interesting exercises for you also. Stay connected throughout the video for interesting exercises coming up for you. Do watch the video till the end. Let's see some examples of prefix. I have got interesting examples for you people. Here we see is the prefix which we are adding to the root word which is happy, and the word that we have learned is unhappy. Let us see a simple sentence for that using this particular word. She was unhappy because she lost her favorite toy. When were you unhappy? Write in the comment box below. Moving on to our next word, word number 2. The prefix that we have picked up is re, and the root word here that I have taken is right. And let us see how and which is the new word, and let us see the sample sentence. So talking about the root word here, as I said you people, it is right, and the new word that we have learned is rewrite. And the sentence that we have made using this word is, the teacher asked me to rewrite my essay for a better clarity. So do you see this? This is how we understand the prefix. The next word coming up for you people is, we have this. I am using with the root word which is like, and the new word that I have come up with is dislike. Let us see a sample sentence with this word. And the sample sentence with this word here is, I dislike, you see the new word how I am using? I dislike loud noise when I am trying to study. So this is how we talk of prefix. This is how we are adding some prefix letters, words to the root word. Moving on to the next example that I have for you people is miss, M-I-S, miss. And here the root word that I have picked up is understand. And talking about the sentence over here, I would say misunderstanding, clubbing two things together. And talking of the sample sentence, if I talk of here, if I talk of the sentence over here, it says, it's easy to misunderstand someone if you don't listen carefully. Same goes here. If you don't listen prefix and suffix carefully, focusfully, with attention, you may not understand it. So all your attention should be here. Okay, moving on with the other and the last example of the prefix, which is over. And the root word here, I've taken it as cook. And the word that we get over here is overcooked. Looking to the sample sentence, it says, don't overcook. We are talking of don't overcook pasta or it will become too soft. So something like we have taken cook over here and we have taken over here. We have added together to get it as overcook. So prefix are the extra words that we add to the main word before the word starts. Okay, moving on to the next example, and that example is of suffix. Now we will add some words after the main word or after the root word. Here goes the example of the same. And here is the suffix that I have taken, which is less. What I have added less with the root word is hope. So here, just see people, students, just see here, hope, and then I am adding less. The word that we have learned here is hopeless, and the sentence with using this word is, after many tries, she felt hopeless about passing the test. When you don't have any hope. So suffix, you are adding the word after the root word. Coming up with another example. Here are some more examples of the same. The word that I have picked up over here is ness, N-E-S-S, ness. The root word here is kind, and here the sentence is, her kindness made everyone feel welcome. Okay? Moving on. Yeah, people, I would tell you again here, watch the video till the end. You have interesting exercises of prefix and suffix. Continuing with just 3 more words, and then we come up with interesting exercise for you all. Okay, moving up with the next word here is full, and the root word is care. The word that we have learned is careful, and the sentence using this word is, be careful whenever crossing the street. You have to be careful. Okay, moving on to the next quick words, meant. And the root word here is achieve. New word that we have made up is achievement. And the sentence with achievement is, winning the spelling bee was a big achievement. It is spell bee. Spell bee is a competition. So winning any competition must be achievement. Coming up with the last suffix word over here, able and read. I am using able, and the keyword, the root word is read. And here I go with the sample sentence. So sorry, coming up here with the sample sentence. The book was easy and very readable for young children. Readable means understandable. We look into. Okay. And here comes up something interesting for you people to know why we should understand prefix and suffix. So the first and the foremost thing why we should understand or look into prefix and suffix, it helps you very nicely to develop your vocabulary, because we every now and then run behind things, how to do, what to do. So vocabulary is important, and this is how you can develop your vocabulary. Your reading skills will improve because you will be emphasizing on prefix and suffix like unhappy, dislike, achievement. So your reading also will become like that, it will improve. Talking about the spellings, obviously you can break the word and learn the spellings. So memorizing of your spellings becomes interesting and easy. Root word spelling you already know, right? Most of the times this happens. So you just have to add up like achievement. So you can learn the spelling accordingly, which on the contrary, which in the final touch will improvise your writing skills. Not only writing but also your speaking skills. So here these words will take you from the basic level to intermediate level if you use them correctly, learn them correctly. Oh, I hope this session is interesting. Now very interesting part coming up for you people, which you waited a lot for, is the exercise in the comment box below. You have to solve this exercise. So you have to make a list of the prefix word from the given word, and you have to make the list of suffix word from the given word. For example, if I say unfair, so unfair will come in this, or will it come in this? Talking about hopeful, will it come under this, or will it come under this? You have to solve it in the comment box below. And the another exercise for you people is here. I had to dash the letter because I made a mistake. So what? I had to rewrite, I had to preview, or I had to reconnect. What? The correct answer over here, I would say, is, can you guess? Any guesses? Okay, I'm giving you the correct answer for the first one. The correct answer here is rewrite. I rewrite is the correct answer. So you have to solve it for the second, third, fourth and fifth. All the best, and I would really want you to say goodbye for today. Stay connected for more such learnings.